All right, welcome back to the video two of the part two. So first of all, I want you guys to look at this as secant square theta, and then don't worry about the degrees. So think of it as tangent square theta. Okay, what does that equal to? Set that equal to x. So look at the property that's given to you. So if you subtract tangent square theta on both sides, what's going to happen? You're going to have 1 equals to secant squared theta minus tangent squared theta. Okay, so secant squared theta minus tangent squared theta equals to 1. So x equals to 1. Look at the next one. So think of it as tangent theta multiplied by cotangent theta. Okay, so you know that the cotangent is the reciprocal of tangent, but let me make it clear. So we know that tangent is y over x. Okay, you're about to multiply by x over y. So you're basically multiplying the reciprocal of it, so you're going to get 1. Number 82. So what you're going to do is think of it as cotangent theta minus cosine theta over sine theta. Okay, so we know that cotangent is x over y, and you're about to subtract. We know that cosine is x, sine is y, so another x over y. So you're gonna get 0. All right, so here we have to, I have to show you guys two different triangles. First of all is the 200 degrees. So 200 degrees, you're about to have a terminal side right here. So that's how you're gonna draw your 20-degree theta angle in quadrant 3. Okay, so you know that this is gonna be your negative y and this is gonna be your negative x. Okay, and then for the 20 degrees, it's going to be in quadrant 1, so it's about to be, oops, sorry, it's going to be a y over here and x over here, both positives. Okay, so we know that tangent is going to be y over x. Okay, you're going to be having negative y and negative x. Multiplying by cotangent is going to be x over y, and then it's going to be positive for both. So you're about to have y over x to multiply by x over y. So you're going to get 1 as your answer. Okay, let's look at number 86. So we know that um, the, the best thing you could do is to convert that to degrees. And I show you that it's going to be negative 10. Okay, so if I have to label this, this is going to be my negative y and then positive x. And then we have positive r. For this one, is going to be 370 degrees is basically equivalent to 10 degrees in quadrant 1. Okay, so I'm just going to label all three variables, so x, y, and r. So we know that secant, okay, so secant is r over x. Okay, for the red triangle, x is positive, so it's both positive, so r over x. For the cosine of 10 degrees, so we know that cosine is going to be x over r. So r over x times x over r, that's going to equal to 1. All right, let's look at number 88. So I show you guys that 70 degrees is going to be in quadrant 1 right here. And then negative 430 degrees, it's about to be in quadrant 4. Okay, it's equivalent to 70 degrees. So negative 70 degrees and negative 430 degrees is basically giving you the same triangles in quadrant 4. Okay, let's get started. So let's just go ahead and label the x. Okay, and it's going to be for the 70 degrees is going to be positive y. For the negative 70 degrees is going to be negative y. And then the r's are all going to be positive. Okay, so sine 70 degrees is basically saying just a y. Okay, but the cosine negative 430 is going to be just a positive x. Okay, you're gonna add to tangent of negative 70, so it's gonna be negative y over x. Okay, so you're adding the opposite, so you're gonna end up getting 0. Pretty easy, right? Eat your greens. Take care.